Another reason why I love these openers. What's up guys, Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Thanks for watching this quick video. So what we're gonna be talking about is what is the best spray gun for you? Now, you might be a DIY guy, you might be a professional, you might be a woodworker, you might be an automotive refinisher. All right, so there's really three main spray guns. You got the conventional, which is old school, a lot of overspray, a lot of paint wastage, very low transfer rate, which means the paint actually getting onto the panel, which is around 30 to 35% with the conventional guns. And then you got high volume, low pressure, which bumps it up to 60, 70, 80% transfer rate, depending on your gun settings and how close you are to the panel. And then you got your low volume, low pressure for more like thicker paints, like clear coats and single stage enamels, primers and things like that. So let's kind of talk about it really quickly. I mean, I probably have 25 different guns. I threw some away. I got a handful left. I got Iwatas. I even got the full-size Iwatas. This is an old Iwata W100 side feed spray gun. You should check out the Atom X9 they're coming out with. It's a side feed gun like this. Super, super cool gun. I'll be doing a review on that very soon. Then you got the SATA RP Digital. This is one of my older spray guns. Sprayed single stage enamel, base coats, clear coats, all out of the same spray gun. Had no issues whatsoever. Really, really cool gun. SATA RP. The alternative to this is the LVLP MP by Atom X. So you might want to check that spray gun out. I did reviews on that as well. They come in the Atom X 20, 21, and 27. Those three models have a really, really good clear coat gun, which is LVLP spray gun. So what is the main difference here? High volume, low pressure basically uses a lot more air volume. Here is a high volume, low pressure Atom X27. Very, very nice spray gun here. Okay. First thing you want to take a look at is the air nozzle here. Okay. Bigger holes than the low volume, low pressure. So it takes a lot more air, okay, to come out of here, right? Come through the fluid cap. All right, and to basically now, the pressure that's coming out of here is only about 10 PSI, by the way. So that's the low pressure part of it, okay, when it atomizes the paint for you. But you're always gonna have about 28, 26, 27, 28, 29 PSI coming through your gun with the gauge dialed in. All right, I always like to keep this wide open. I never use this adjustment knob for my air on the spray guns. I always keep this wide open. And then I use my gauge. Here, let's use another gun. I use this gauge to basically gauge how much air pressure I'm using, okay? And 100% of the time, I usually just go by air, by hearing the air and seeing how the paint's flowing and just looking at it besides going from here. So if you're a newbie, then I would recommend making sure this is set to about 25 PSI when spraying any kind of base coats or clear coats. Clear coats, you're gonna wanna up the air pressure a little bit so you get a finer atomization for better flow out. So if you look at the low volume, low pressure spray gun, you're gonna see that these holes are a lot smaller, okay? Different than the high volume, low pressure. Okay, when it atomizes the paint, so it's using less air overall, okay, which is why you can use a smaller air compressor, okay? But that doesn't mean you can't shoot full cars and do everything you got to do with it. This is an astonishing, absolutely wonderful spray gun that I love spraying with. And this is, again, is the Atom X27 model. Check it out over at Zula.com. All right, so high volume, low pressure spray guns are more for professional use. If you're in a body shop, working in a body shop, and they want you to use, you know, an environmental friendly spray gun, this is why they came out with high volume, low pressure. Again, you're gonna need a bigger air compressor. So if you don't have an at least 60 gallon, 5 horsepower air compressor that puts out at least 15 CFM, then you might be struggling doing a whole entire car with a high volume, low pressure, okay? If you have a smaller air compressor, by all means, the low volume, low pressure spray gun will work really well for you. And this is also a very, very good clear coat gun. So if you wanna separate it out and have a base only spray gun and a clear coat only spray gun, this is the way to go. This is the technical way to go, all right? But it doesn't have to be that way. You can spray base coat and clear coat out of this and get exceptional results. You can spray base coat and clear coat out of this and get exceptional results. You know, it's all about how well you spray, how well your gun flow is, how you set up the gun with material settings and all of that. And I cover all of that in other videos. This is just more of a what spray gun do you want to get. So if you're more of a DIY guy with a smaller compressor, check out the low volume, low pressure spray gun, which is this version here. I'm showing you the Atom X series. This is the Atom X27 spray gun. There is the X20, X21, and the Mini X16, which is a high volume, low pressure only because it's such a small spray gun. Where is it? I don't have it here. Here it is right here, the very small Atom Mini X16 spray gun, okay? So again, it doesn't matter what spray guns you end up picking out, but just remember, high volume, low pressure needs more volume. They both have really good transfer rates, okay? Meaning paint getting onto the panels, okay? Low volume, low pressure has a little bit more overspray. High volume, low pressure has a little less overspray. It's very good coverage for doing base coats, especially metallics and base coats. This is a very, very good spray gun. And I can't stress enough, you can spray both types of paints, all kinds of paints out of both spray guns. As long as your tip size is correct, your paint mixture is correct, and you got enough air volume, you're gonna be fine. Sprayed base clear out of this gun, base clear out of this gun with exceptional results. All right, so it's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions down below over here. And if you want to get a free 85-page auto body book, click right over here on YouTube, and it'll take you to a place where you can get that free book. And if you want to learn more about these Atom X spray guns, check out the link below, or also might have a link right up over here where you can go to a detailed blog post, an article about these spray guns and how they can help you get amazing finishes. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.